Since August I sniped 2 Bitcoin longs, and in this video I'm gonna show you everything that was behind it. I also shared these trades live on my Twitter, guys, on my X page. Make sure to follow me down below so you don't miss this analysis. So let's hop into the charts. So as you can see, we are here on the hour 4, guys, and those are the 2 trades I was talking about. The current trade is still running and the last trade was a full success. And let's first of all go on the hour 4 and I will explain it to you right here. As you can see, on the hour 4 we have been putting in this aggressive leg to the upside. Why is this all one leg, guys? Lots of people would maybe draw it like this, but for me I have my so-called 2 candle rule that I apply. I teach it to all my students as well. It just makes market structure objective, and that's why according to my rules this is all one leg to the upside. So the hour 4 is bullish. That's the first thing I'm looking out for, and then I'm looking for longs in this discount zone, guys. As you can see, the 50% level in the discount zone is my zone for longs. So then I go on to the hour 1, and as you can see we went right into it at this time. So once we retraced deep into the discount zone, we didn't close outside. As you can see, the hour 4 held this range low level. That's very important. And then I just simply analyzed market structure again. According to my rules, we had a pretty steep dump, but then after some time we swept this low right here. So my liquidity sweep that I am waiting for, I got that. Then we had put in a new high to break, which high brought us to this liquidity sweep. It was this one. So this is the valid high we have to break for a market structure shift, and we broke this market structure right here with a strong pump. We also put in a nice valid imbalance. As you can see right here, we have 3 bullish candles. We have an imbalance in between that's perfectly valid. And after this market structure shift, guys, after the second candle close, very important, I always wait for 2 consecutive candle closes above for a valid shift. I entered my limit order at this imbalance that I mentioned just before, and my stop loss is of course at the sweep, at the liquidity sweep always. And then I just look at some obvious highs right here, and as you can see we have this nice high right here from this steep dump, and I just put my target right here because it's a 1.R setup, and 1.8R are perfect for me. Everything above 1.7, 1.75, 2R would be optimal, but I was just targeting this high and I entered it right here. As you can see, price went crazy against me. I already wrote this trade off, to be honest, but we recovered for some reason. We went back into the break-even point, and then we are going up, up, up. Right here we were chopping around. At that point I set the trade break-even, of course, and after 8 days we hit the full take profit target, 1.8R banked. Very nice. And then all I do was waiting for the same scenario again, and right now we retraced back into the same zone again, guys, and it's the same level. What I should mention as well is very important, we are making lower lows on the price chart, as you can see, and on the RSI we made higher highs. That's the RSI divergence. That's also for an A+ setup, it's necessary for me. So I took this trade with relatively big size and it was a full success. Right now we have the same setup but without the RSI divergence, so it's not an A+ setup. I still entered with lower size. As you can see, market structure, objective market structure. We had the market structure shift right here. I entered at an imbalance below, and that's all there is to it, guys. Now I let this trade run to the 1.9 target. I probably will take some profit at the target below that I took profit on the first trade, but ultimately this is a 2R trade. I'm letting it run for now, and those are my 2 Bitcoin trades that I took in August so far. And it's a very simple concept. It's teachable, it's learnable for you guys as well. If you need help building a trading system, whether it will be this trading system or you want a trading system on your own, send me a DM, guys, on X, on Instagram, or fill out the form below, and then you can apply for the one-on-one mentorship with me, and I will help you get there to become a full-time trader. We already have crazy results from the current students, as you can see right here. We passed challenges, we got payouts, and they are coming in, and yeah, that's why I do what I do, to help people get there as well, to make a living of trading. And if you want that, as I mentioned, fill out the form below, guys. And that's the video for today, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.